Impact detection. Impact detection parking mode, often called low power mode or energy saving mode. This is a great parking mode for energy efficiency, especially for EVs, hybrids, or vehicles with small car batteries. All the parking modes we have already listed, for instance, low bitrate, motion detection, and time lapse, all have impact detection. So if there is an impact in those parking modes, it will put the video into an event file folder. This mode, which is called impact detection, has many names, for instance. ThinkWare calls it energy saving mode. Vuroid calls it low power mode. Vantrue and 70mi call it collision detection. The new Viofo A329S calls it low power impact detection. Red Tiger calls it G-Sensor active recording, and FineView calls it power saving parking mode. How this mode works is the dash camera goes to sleep, typically in a low power consumption state. It only wakes up and records if there's an impact in this mode. Your dash camera has a G-Sensor setting that is triggered when there is an impact. You can change the G-Sensor setting from low to high. Some dash cameras wake up in 1 to 2 seconds, while others take 10 seconds or more and are completely useless in this mode. Pros: can last for days or weeks in this parking mode waiting for an impact. Good if parked at an airport for a week or two, or maybe you work from home, you don't drive much, and you're just worried about maybe somebody hitting or backing into your vehicle while you're parked for long periods of time. 2. Very low current draw. We'll only record impacts, so less videos to review in your event folder. Cons: some dash cameras take 6 to 18 seconds to wake up after impact, making it useless in this mode. Some incidents are not an impact. For instance, when a vehicle pulls out and rubs against your vehicle, it does not trigger the G-Sensor, but your vehicle is damaged. It records after the incident takes place, so you will miss the original incident in most cases. Our top choices for low power impact detection: the Viofo A329S, which is brand new, the ThinkWare U3000, the Vuroid D21 4K, and the Vuroid D20Q2. And the main reason why we recommend these is because they have quick 1 to 2 second wake up after impact, so it's very quick to wake up. And we have tested all these very thoroughly, as we've tested probably like 12 dash cameras on the market that are big with this impact detection mode. These ones we found to be the most reliable and consistent. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are looking to support us in any way, shape, or form, check us out, safedrivesolutions.com, where we do offer professional dash camera installation in Greater Vancouver and Greater Toronto, Canada. And we also supply dash cameras through safedrivesolutions.com and ship all across Canada. Thanks again.